Hi, Stefano Molea here, San Diego criminal defense lawyer and partner at the law office of David P Shapiro, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. So today is December 2nd, 2022, and it happens to be the 11th anniversary of me being sworn in as an attorney in California. And I became passionate about criminal defense after my very first year of law school during my first internship, which was at a criminal defense firm. And since then, all I've ever done, all I've ever loved to do is criminal defense. And so I'm just going to reflect upon that for anybody who might be interested in getting into criminal defense or someone who is in criminal justice generally. And look, here's one thing that's obvious. Working in criminal defense can be difficult. It can be emotionally taxing. And not only that, the area of law is very complex. But what I can tell you after now having handled cases for the past 11 years is that it's an extremely necessary job. The role that criminal defense lawyers play in our system is very critical. And that's what I really want to talk about. A lot of people sort of have a negative connotation related to criminal defense lawyers because they don't really understand the role. And the role is to create a counterbalance to the government. Okay, and that's a lot of weight, right? The force of the government, the resources, law enforcement, task forces, DA's offices, city attorney's offices, prosecutors in general. They have a lot of resources. They have a lot of power. And of course, the founding fathers and the whole foundation of our country appreciates what can happen when power is abused. And so the Constitution provides a lot of protections against that abuse of power. And that's where criminal defense lawyers step in. We, although we're not law enforcement, we do play a huge part in enforcing the Constitution, enforcing those protections against an abuse of power. And so what I can tell you is that although some of the topics and some of the issues are extremely emotionally taxing sometimes, the work itself and the principles that drive our role in our system are always important. And I can tell you personally, my eye is always on those principles to help motivate and to help drive me, the team, and the entire firm forward as a group. We continue to fight for the rights of our clients and to help our clients when, frankly, sometimes people find themselves in tough situations. Sometimes people are in the wrong place at the wrong time. Sometimes people have issues that have not been addressed, unfortunately, because of lack of resources or understanding that then lead them to very bad decisions that unfortunately sometimes hurt others. And look, society has created a system to address that, to protect the community. But we also have to understand that we're all human and there are things that can be done to help not just the individual who maybe have made a mistake, but also society as a whole, because that person's going to be part of the society. And then of course, helping those people who are falsely accused and those who have been abused by the system. So just wanted to reflect upon that on a day that's important to me. Hope you all have a good rest of the year, next year. And if you have any questions about the criminal justice system or criminal defense in general, feel free to give us a call. We're always happy to talk to people who are interested in entering the industry or just want to talk about criminal justice in general. Again, Stefano Malaya, law office of David P Shapiro, 619-295-3555.